Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla, and today you have a great potential information from our channel. Yes, what it is? My query is how to learn web development. It's a big ocean opportunities are available nowadays. Yes, before initiating the lecture, please do subscribe for this channel for interesting concepts. So let's see. This question I'm trying to getting an information using ChatGPT AI tool. Yes, this ChatGPT is an open source and non-profit organization. What you want and you will get an answer immediately. So it's a tool is getting better on every day. Register now for free using Gmail or Microsoft account. My question, I told you how to learn web development in terms of if you need any JavaScript, Python, ASP.NET or any other programming language. If you are interested, yes, you can add on a query. So a basic question, I'll ask this ChatGPT. Quickly open Google and hit ChatGPT. Hit enter. From here you need to go try ChatGPT. If you are already registered, it will ask you to log in. If not created any account, it will ask you to create an account. So once you logged in successfully, this is the window you will get here where you can ask your queries to ChatGPT to get an accurate information. Now my question is here, how to learn web development. Now see, I sent a query. Wow, ChatGPT is responding quickly. Wow, and it's giving me a super easy steps. A step-by-step process who wants to make a career strong on building in web development, they need this. See, for the first step, HTML, CSS and JavaScript are the foundational technologies of the web. Anyone wants to learn who wants to enter into the web development. The second one, practice building sample and simple websites using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Adding web frameworks such as React, Angular or Vue.js make building web applications easier, more modern and productive. Get experience working with the backend technologies such as Node.js, Ruby and Rails or Django, which are trending nowadays. Work on personal projects and contribute open source projects and gain practical experience building a strong portfolio, which you can mention your resume and you keenly explain a step-by-step process what the steps you have taken to building your application. And keep up with the latest development web technologies, reading articles, attending conferences and following industry leaders' social media accounts and updates what they are posting and what you to be connect with the latest trending technologies. Remember, learning code is a continuous process. It's important to patience and persistent in your efforts to improve. I hope it's a super easy concept you learned today how to start learning web development as your career path. If you feel this video lecture is useful to you, please do subscribe now for more video lectures and thank you for watching. Thank you.